Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on a Google Play Store in Hotwav Note 12. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here, just to show you, let's try to find, for example, Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no results that we're looking for. And to fix this, now we need to go back to the homepage of Google Play Store and click in the top right corner of the screen to open the settings. Inside Reveal Family, enter Parental Controls, and here you can go either for apps and games or disable parental controls entirely with this switch. Click on, in this case I'm going to go for apps and games, insert my PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if we go back, look for the game again, it is right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.